welcome back to my channel. If you are a new viewer, then don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications. And as always, if you are a returning viewer, I'm so grateful to have you. Today I am getting into pretty much how I style my hair when my wash and goes are kind of used. Styles that you can do in under 5 minutes. And the first one is this little half up, half down, or more like a quarter up, 3/4 down. Okay, so I already went in with my spray bottle. So for demonstration purposes, my hair is going to be wet throughout this video. So obviously at the end of each of these styles, you want to go ahead and dry your product up so that you're not walking around with the product sitting on top of your hair like this. But I'm not even going to bother drying it because then I'll be doing another style, so that makes no sense. So I just section off a small portion of my hair in the front, like so. Your part doesn't necessarily have to be neat, just however you can do it. And then I use my bristle brush, brush up the front side, and if need be, I'll just put like a little bit of gel around the hairline, which I already did. Kind of hard to keep back portion out of my front ponytail. It's annoying. And then your arms get tired. All my natural girls know the struggle. It is a lot, girl. You are not alone, girl. All of our arms are tired, okay? Hang in there. Or if I want it to be more defined, I'll just take a little bit of gel in between my pointer and my thumb, and I like pull out on the parts that I want it to define. So you just take a little bit of gel like that and just run it through the pieces that you want to define. Like that. For this style, I really like to just brush everything up on this one, and then just these little ones right here I'll take down. But I normally don't get to swooping and going crazy on this hairstyle. Personally, for me, I just like it. Okay, no. I like it better just going up, looking nice and neat. Now let me stop playing that. So, on to the next. Okay, so the next style, I mean, that half and half or 1 3/4 was very simple and easy to me. But this next style is like literally like you barely gotta do anything. It's like an abracadabra situation. So since I already applied product to my hairline and my edges because of the last style and brushed it for this one, I'm literally able to just style my hair with my hands. Like, it's absurd how easy this is. So you're going to need some of these. I don't really know what they're called. They're that headband, elastic band thingies. Mine are kind of stretched out, so we'll see how this goes. So my next style, this is just like a low pineapple or low ponytail thingamajig. If my rubber bands worked properly, we'll see how it goes before I even say anything negative. So essentially you're supposed to just be able to put your rubber bands on your head and just pull it back. But mine are kind of stretched out and it's not coming out how I'm intending it to. Bear with me. It's gonna get worse before it gets better, okay? Ha! All right. She's in. seatbelts. Seatbelts, everyone. So with this style, I definitely do some edges. Okay, so that is style number 2. This is one of my faves because it literally takes me like 5 minutes to do it. And then by the time I'm done and it's all dried up, it literally looks like I tried and I really did. The hidden truth behind this hairstyle is I don't care. It looks like I care, but I don't. So then once it's up, I'm just grabbing like the pieces that aren't comfortably settled into the rubber band and just fluffing it to my desired height. I'm really just trying to get everyone seated right now because of how stretched out my rubber bands are. Style number 4 is super similar to this. It's just when I wear my high up pineapple and I do it with like a little bangs in the front. So I don't even think I have to take this style down to completely down for this. So it's exactly the same steps that we just went through. Only difference is you want to section off some hair for a bang, like so. Girl, and voila. I mean, I'm still working on it, but I mean, come on, look. We're like halfway there. Like, look how easy this is. So this is literally all you have to do. Now, what I do, because I'm a 4C girl, so throughout the day, my hair kind of gravitates towards the sun more and more. To secure my bangs, I just take a bobby pin and like I'll go, oh Lord, okay. And like I'll go in this area pretty much. Just slide my bobby pin right on there just to secure it a little bit so that it's okay if it fluffs up from here, but you don't want it standing up like at the top of your bun. So even if you need 2 more here and here, you can do that. But this is pretty much it. And sometimes sides. I'll take a little bit of gel to define my curls around the side. And this is my high pineapple with a bang. Bang. Which looks really cute right now. Like, I don't even want to take it off. Like, it looks so rich. It just looks so classy when you put your hair up. I mean, that's why I said it really looks like I tried and I did not. Which is, I just put 2 braids like up the back. I'll part up the middle and braid it upwards. But like, I can't even function right now because I snapped my nail off and it's burning so badly. So I won't even do that one, but that's a bonus. 2 braids up the back.